Hello everyone, so Comica reached out to me to review their updated BoomX-D wireless microphone, which I'm using to record the audio for this video. The kit I received is the BoomX-D D2, which comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Comica has made changes to the BoomX-D and I'll go over all the details in this video. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we get this nice hard case that makes it easy to store and take the wireless microphone with you. And inside the case you'll find the user manual, a 3.5mm camera audio cable, 3.5mm smartphone audio cable, a USB Type-A to 3 USB Type-C charging cable, 2 lavalier microphones, 2 wind muffs, 2 transmitters, and the receiver. This is everything that comes in the box. So I'll start with the receiver. On the left side, it has the USB-C charging port. On the right side, it has the reset hole, power/mode button, channel A output gain control button, and channel B output gain control button. On the top, it has the output port and the monitoring port. On the back, it has a clip/cold shoe mount. The screen on the receiver shows the mono/stereo setting, battery life, the microphone audio dynamic bars on both channels, the channel you are connected to, and the gain output level. Now, for the transmitter. On the left side, it has the USB-C charging port and reset hole. On the right side, it has the power/mute button and pair button. On the top, it has the internal microphone, 3.5mm port for external microphone, and the external microphone locking buckle. On the back, it also has a clip/cold shoe mount with a Comica logo. The screen on the transmitter shows the signal strength, mute setting, pairing mode, battery life, that channel you are on, and the microphone audio dynamic bar. I like that the transmitters have display screens on them because if you're recording yourself and you're far away from the receiver, you'll know if the connection is good just by looking at the screen on the transmitter. The first test will be with the transmitter's internal mic. So this is how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. I won't know until I get back to my studio and edit the video. The second test is with a wind muff on the transmitter's internal mic. So this is how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. I won't know until I get back to my studio and edit the video. And the third test is with the lavalier mic connected to the transmitter's mic port. So this is how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. I won't know until I get back to my studio and edit the video. The transmitters connect to the receiver through the 2.4 GHz frequency and have a range of up to 100 meters. So let's put that to the test and see how far I can go before the audio starts cutting off. I'll start walking away from the camera to see where the audio cuts off, and once I feel the distance is too far from the camera, I'll start walking back towards the camera, and hopefully I get a better connection when the transmitter is facing the receiver. Okay, so I'm starting the test and I'm starting to walk away from the camera. So the transmitter is facing away from the camera right now, and we're going to see how far I get until the connection cuts off. So over here there's some people playing soccer. I don't know if you guys can hear. They're being a little... There is a hill right here. Going down, going back up. I'm passing a pole now. Anymore. Now I am going back towards the camera. Now the transmitter is facing the receiver, so it should get a better connection since it's facing the same way and there is no obstacles in between. Going back towards the camera. I am far. I think I went a little further than what Comica claims. So I did go over the 100 meters. I'm on my way back. So after getting back and editing the video, the audio actually sounds pretty good, even though I had to play around with the gain levels to get the best audio possible. At the end of the day, you'll be the judge by listening to the sound quality in this video. Right now I have the gain set on the receiver at +0 decibels and on the Sony ZV-E10 camera at 1, which is what works best for my gear. The sound of my voice is nice and clear. The receiver can be set anywhere from -12 decibels up to +12 decibels. The difference between mono and stereo audio is that mono audio preserves all sound in a single channel, whereas stereo separates sound into two channels, left and right. They have a built-in 330 mAh lithium-ion battery, which will last up to 6 hours on a full charge. The transmitters and receiver are small, made of plastic, and very lightweight. The transmitters weigh 31 grams and the receiver weighs 29 grams. The build quality of these wireless microphones is very good, and it's really nice of them to include the lavalier mics, which other wireless microphone brands don't do. So what do you think about the Comica BoomX-D wireless microphone? Leave a comment below, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.